The Fed releasing the Beige Book moments ago. Steve Leisman digging through all the red and yellow and green highlights, and he joins us with the details. Steve?
Thanks, Kelly. Yeah, the Federal Reserve's collection of economic anecdotes from the 12 Federal Reserve districts says economic activity increased slightly in the 6 weeks over the period. Inflationary pressures did remain widespread, though price increases moderated in many districts. So that's good inflation news. Labor market conditions, however, did remain solid. 6 districts indicated activity expanded at a moderate pace. Supply chain conditions continued to ease was another of the big headlines there. Consumer spending held steady. Auto sales were little changed. Inventory levels did improve. Inflation continues to reduce consumer income and discretionary spending, according to the Beige Book here. Concern was expressed about rising credit card debt in several of the districts. Travel and tourism, a stalwart of this economy these days, it did remain strong. Manufacturing activity stabilized. Interesting comment here because there had been a period of contraction. Housing market remaining subdued. Labor availability did improve slightly, so a little bit less tight maybe. I don't think you say it's a loose job market. Firms were beginning to reduce remote work options. We've all heard stories about that. Wages increased at a modest pace and wage pressures eased somewhat. A few more headlines here. The input costs rose further for energy and raw materials. There was some price relief, however, for freight and shipping costs. We've been reporting about that. Firms were finding it more difficult to pass on price increases. That, of course, is bad for profits, but good for inflation. And selling prices increased moderately in most districts. Several districts, however, saw a deceleration in price increases. And Tyler, that's as far as I got.
That's pretty much. That gives us the heart of it, Steve. Thanks very much. And do stick around as we continue.
Not bad for 3 minutes of work, right?
That's not bad. You jam it in.